In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to activate or enable the lock screen wallpaper auto change feature in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed here at the button search bar and type for panel. Once you've typed that, kindly wait until a best match should appear in this window, where you can see the control panel not in the best match but instead in the app. So it might be here. Okay, so once it turns out to be in the best match, double tap it, and eventually you would be navigated to the control panel window, where here you need to change the view into large icons. Click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once done, you need to find for power options, which is in my case it is being placed at the fifth column next to keyboard. Click on it. And eventually you can see the selected power plan on your PC. If you have selected for balance, click on this change plan settings aligning to it. Or if you have selected high performance or power saver, just select the change plan settings aligning or that is in align to the selected power plan of your PC. So click on it and eventually you can see this kind of option. So from here you can set a time that you can set a turn off the display with. You can select any of the minutes that you can go with. Okay, so unplug, then put the computer to sleep after 25 minutes, as well as here. And once you've set, click on Save Changes. Okay, once done, close the window and navigate to the Start icon. Make a right click, scroll up, and click on the settings. So here at the settings window, you need to proceed directly to the left side and proceed to personalization. And here at the personalization settings, please proceed with lock screen. Click on it. And eventually you can see this kind of window where you can personalize your lock screen. So click on this down arrow key and choose for slideshow. The moment you do it, it will ask you to browse for an album. Click on browse. And here you need to navigate to the location where your pictures or saved images has been placed. Okay, in my case, it is being placed at my desktop. That is being placed here inside the wallpaper file folder. Okay, once you have set it here, you can now close the window and restart the PC. Once you have restarted it, whenever you will be in the lock screen, it will be in auto changed. Okay, I mean the image will be in auto changed. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.